Greetings, I'm EricTheReDD, and this is Crypto for the Caffeinated. Let's get started, shall we?
1 BTC equals 10,359 United States dollars.
Thanks! This is another installment of Crypto for the Caffeinated. We've got the components for the JANK-ASS eBay mining rig that have no instructions. So I've got my precision screwdriver set and a hankering for adventure. Got our double-coated tissue tape for her pleasure. Our robot face for our kitties. Our bag of screws and mounting posts. Yes. Our risky procedure metal legs. Totally worth it. Our Major League dugout bench. Our Little League dugout bench. And the plate with all the screw holes that totally weren't sanded down after, but at least the holes are threaded. I have no idea where to start. Ooh, that was a nice sound. It's got a nice resonant frequency. These definitely go this way. Oh, do they go on the side? I think they do. Oh. I think I have this figured out already. So that goes there. That goes there. Oh. This is janky. Looks bent as fuck. So these must... go inside? Ah, there we go. Okay. So the metal legs are actually bridges. So, and they hold the dugout benches together, and then they all screw into the frame. Okay. This doesn't look so bad. Let's set the plate aside and put the dugout benches together. This is my friend. See how he glistens. I assume all those other screws are identical, aside from the posts, so let's just take a few out. They are Phillips screws. Well, they were Phillips screws, and now they're mine. Oh god, they're two different sizes, aren't they? Okay. We got big hexy ones and tiny, shiny, flat ones. You think they could have sent me instructions? How the... Well, the big ones. They fit in those holes. Not really. It's a little one. The little one fits. Do the little ones hold the frame together? Okay, so the threads on the legs, they're what hold the whole kit and caboodle together. No, I can't do it. Oh god damn it, this is so hard. I quit. Oh, I'm left-handed. There. I'm not going to screw these down all the way until, you know, I actually have, whatever. There we go. Whole thing. Whole thing! There are much fewer of these tiny ones, so I pray to the eBay gods that they sent me enough. Oh, alright, got 10 more. Hopefully that's enough to put this damn janky-ass rig together. And there's that. There we go. We got something assembled. Oh, there. We're making millions. Millions of Bitcoin. And you can too. Ouch. Ow. They couldn't be bothered to file the drill holes down, but at least they painted over it so it's not bare metal ripping into skin. It's just painted metal tearing into skin. Oh, I hope I'm doing this right. If you're not given instructions, is there a right way or a wrong way to eat a Reese's? How many licks does it take to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop? 746. 7th grade me was on a car trip from Connecticut to Vermont, and I was bored. 743 licks to get to the Tootsie Roll center of a Tootsie Pop. The world knows. The world knows now. And it only took me 312 licks to get to the bubblegum center of a blow pop. So either my technique improved or they owe me some hard candy sour apple shell. Got those two sides done. Got my walker built. They're still a little loose, which is what we need, I hope. Oof. So if these go in there, that should, okay, that's where they go. He says with the utmost confidence. Come on, just get in there. Come on, you're right there, that's your home. Come on. Oh, there you go, buddy. There you go. You're not too good for your home. I know it was a long journey in the FedEx van from California to here, but it probably wasn't as long as it was in the ship from China to California. But I could be wrong. But you're at home, right here at good old Milt House Studios in Milton, Vermont, USA. Let me get in there. You're gonna have to trust me. I'm doing the same thing on this side that I was doing over there. Maybe the GoPro is getting me. Maybe it's not. I would not put my money on it. All right, one more here. All right. Look at that. Ha ha! It stands. And it's, for the most part, level. Awesome. All right, let's just... The screws in that side don't match. Look at that. Those don't match. All the others match. What's your problem? Just try not to look at it. It's gonna drive me bonkers. Do you not match either? Or are you the same blade? Okay, there's more than one. Oh, Jesus. Okay, whatever. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Looks like they're interchangeable, or they're at least... They at least work if they're not intended to do it that way. It's not like they sent me instructions, so it's fine. All this is metal that's gonna hold my cards in the air. Why do I have the hiccups? What is wrong with me? I drink some soda. This thing's wobbly as hell, but that's okay, because we're not done yet. Got our old friend the plate that this guy has to dock onto. Oh, why did I dump all those things out? Put them over here. We'll keep these separate, I guess. They're right there for safekeeping. I do not know which direction this is supposed to go. It is not even. This one has all these notches in it, and this side does not. So there are a line of holes here on this end of the Little League bench, but on the Major League bench they go all the way across. So I think that these cutouts here must line up with these holes up here. So if that's the case, then this goes under like this, and that is how we get assembled. Oh God, I hope these are threaded. They're threaded, thank God. You're not gonna be able to see this very well. I can't see it very well. But my GoPro's on a tripod that's comically oversized for a GoPro, and I'm not in the mood to move it. So. All right, well, we don't want them tight. We just want them in there. So we got that one. Let's do this one at the back before we do its buddy. Cream soda. Oh, come on, you dingus. Oh, don't round on my screwdrivers, please. I need a full-size screwdriver. This is ridiculous that I'm doing it with these little guys. You're just gonna have to trust me on these, that it's there, because you can't see it, and I'm not about to go moving my cameras. Oh, you're kidding. You don't line up, do you? That sucks. Those don't line up at all. I can't. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. Maybe it'll be okay. This one lines up at least, so that's good. As with so many things in life, folks, you really do get what you pay for. I think this thing is squished a little. Oh gee, I can't bend this with my hands. What am I thinking? So those right angles are not in that great a shape. Okay, well, let's keep going. We'll keep going. That we could. Okay, so this corner will work. Oh, ouch. Dick. Sure. That one's kind of just barely. There we go. Let's just get that one started so we don't lose it. And that's a little one. That goes with those. There we go. These are crap. All right, well. Yeah, that's bent. That is not bent. I'm gonna round this. Okay, I need to get a better screwdriver. I'm wireless today, so that's good. I can keep talking to you. Oh, bubble wrap. Bubble wrap. Up. Okay, screwdriver. Screwdriver? I barely know it. Yuck, 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 aren't I a riot? Junk drawer. Meet the junk drawer. Those are not the size of drives I need. This one's for a drill bit. If I don't find it, I'm going to scream. I am brilliant. I am a golden god. I am the hammer of the gods. I am the walrus. I'm having fun. And I'm back. I found a bit, and I found this dude right here. So, leverage. I can get that in at least. And then, I don't know, okay, we'll do the other, we'll tighten these others. Foist. Oh, I gotta get some leverage on you, huh, you little dingus? Screwing that down's bending the other ones into place. Ha ha ha! I may be able to get screws in there now. Even if I can just get one, I think that'll be fine. That's at least together. That's nice and snug. It seems pretty sturdy, even though I'm missing some screws. But as I said, I don't believe that's the end of the world. It ain't happy, but it's in there. That's it. It's all attached. Sweet. Is there anything else? Our felt pad for her pleasure. In all honesty, I have no idea what this is for. I'm not going to worry about that right now. Now we've got our little brass motherboard riser things, so hopefully these fit. That one went in just fine. There's another one right here. They didn't give us very many of these. Hopefully we've got enough. Am I supposed to lay the motherboard on it and see where the holes are so that I don't lose any of these? I'm just going to mount these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have no idea if that's the right place, but there they are. Got all these other screws left for attaching stuff, but that will be another video. So here it is, the janky-ass eBay mining rig frame has now been built. And not everything lined up all the way, but with enough elbow grease and a decent screwdriver, we were able to assemble it. Build quality is about what I expected for what I paid. The edges are at least sanded down so they're not super sharp, but I mean, I wouldn't leave this near children or a place where you could trip and hit your head on it. But I think for what I'm going to do, it is a good piece of metal. Until next time, I am Eric the Red. This has been Crypto for the Caffeinated. Stay caffeinated, stay mining.